Hello my friends, today we have again a healthy meal with onion, garlic, turmeric, ginger, bell pepper, jalapenos, and what is that? That's broccoli, but what is that? What is that?
Bok choy.
Bok choy, you know that is bok choy.
Bok choy.
And we have macaroni, full wheat. So everything is gutted, and gets more small and comes into the pan. So that's all in the pan and it's cooking slowly. And the macaroni and the broccoli are in one pot and also getting ready now. So that's when the vegetable is ready. That's the broccoli and the macaroni. So that's it on the plate. Our lunch today, 1 meal a day, 10 vitamins and minerals. Have a good dinner and bon appetit.